Okay, so good day and welcome to our assessment center. So my name is Alvin Ongkinko and I will be your TESDA accredited competency assessor for today. So for today's qualification, it will be the competency-based assessment in 2D animation in NC3. So here's my TESDA ID for verification, as you can see. I'll be your assessor for today. Okay, so first of all, before we proceed, let me check your attendance first. So, kunin ko na attendance sheet. Ito, paki-fill up. Okay, thank you. So, for this one, may I get your admission slip and self-assessment guide? Okay, this is for you. Okay. So, upon checking, I have verified that your SAG or the self-assessment guide, and based on your response, you believe that you are ready for the next assessment, which is the body and the human anatomy. Body on human anatomy. So before we proceed, let me give you a brief overview on our topic for this session. Okay, so today you will go under the competency-based assessment aligned with the training regulation in 2D animation in NC2. So the purpose of this assessment is to determine whether you can perform the required units of competency according to the industry standard. Okay. So now, let me orient you to the qualification of the assessment process. So here's the unit of competency that you're going to take for today's session. You're going to take the core competency of this specific topic. So, house rules. Strictly no coaching during the assessment. Once mag-start na tayo ng assessment, mag-drawing kayo mamaya, bawal na mag-usap, bawal na magtinginan ng ginagawa. You should mind your own business. Tapos, after that, observe proper safety procedures at all times. So, panitilihin natin sumunod sa mga guidelines natin dito sa loob ng assessment area. So, you may ask for clarification before starting. So kung may mga katanungan kayo bago tayo mag-start, pwede na kayo magtanong sa akin kung may mga gusto kayong malaman. Kung magsi-CR din kayo, pwede na kayong mag-CR para mamaya smooth yung session natin. Okay. So, I will show you the CAAS or the Competency Assessment Agreement Sheet. So, this indicates that the assessment procedure, appeals, and process, and your declaration of readiness. So, kailangan ng pirma nyo dito, no? Kunin ko lang. Ayun. So, pakipirmahan. Ayan. So, kailangan mapirmahan nyo yun bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating demonstration or yung session. Okay, thank you. Okay, as you can see, here is the facility of our training session area. So, ito yung sample facility, which is meron din tayo dito for practical work area and institutional area. So, dahil limited ang space natin, pinagsama na natin. Dito kayo gagawa ng mga practical task nyo na kailangan para sa ating session. So, trainers and learning resource area dito na rin, at para sa aking assessors area dito naman kung meron kayong mga katanungan at merong mga kailangan na firmahan. Meron din tayo ditong hard copy ng ating facility, training facility floor plan. Yan. So, you should be aware on the training facility floor plan, no? Kasi dito ini-indicate dito yung tamang paggamit or tamang lugar kung saan natin dapat ginagawa yung isang sessions. Siyempre, may kita nyo rin dito in case of emergency, saan kayo dapat pumunta at saan yung exit. So, okay, next na tayo. Okay, for this session, we'll be talking about we'll be taking the body proportion and the anatomy in 2D animation. Ito yung last na part na ng competency nyo. So once na ma-complete nyo to, makakuha na kayo ng NC3 para dito sa 2D animation. So good luck. So may bibigay ako sa inyo dito paper for you to start the drawing. Okay, eto, tig-isa kayo. Sige, you can now start with the drawing of the body proportion. Take your time. You have 2 minutes pa para tapusin yung mga drawings nyo. So, galingan nyo. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, are you finished? Finish. Go. Okay. Okay. I will now review all the evidence gathered during your performance. So, as per TESDA's rule of evidence, I'm checking for the specific requirements or criteria based on this session. Okay, so upon checking all the requirements that you have submitted, here is your feedback. So based on your result, Mr. Arden Atienza, you are competent in the unit that you have assessed. So you may now proceed to the Assessment Center office for advice on certificate claiming. So please give sign on your CARs. So makipirmahan na lang to. However, so Mr. Mark Eric Gallego, I see that you have accomplished naman some of the requirements and the criteria of the this assessment. So based on your result, you still need to have a lot of improvement, no? So yung drawing. So you're not yet competent. So I encourage you to improve the following areas, which is the body proportion into the animation. So don't worry, you may apply for assessment when you are ready. So kindly sign the CARS2 to acknowledge this result. Okay, thank you. So now, I will now compile all the documents. So here is the documents, which is the attendance sheets, CIAS, observation, checklist, and others important sheets that we're using or we have been used in this assessment. So this will be part of your portfolio. So I will prepare the Registry of Workers Assessed and Certified, which is the RWACS, and endorse your document to the Assessment Center. So this is for your final verification, Arden Atienza. So thank you for participating in this competency-based assessment. And once again, I'm Mr. Alvin Ocampo, and I'm your test assessor. And that's all. Have a good day. Congratulations.